Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a public Facebook group. I'm sure that you've joined other Facebook groups in the past, and now you want to create one of your own. Public groups are great for gathering a bunch of people into one space to help each other out or share ideas and common interests. And if you want the group to be open to everyone, public is the way to go. To create a group, open Facebook and tap the Groups button on the bottom of your homepage. If you're not up to date or if Facebook changes this in the future, tap the three-line menu button on the bottom right. Inside of here, find and choose Groups. This will take you to your Groups page. At the top, tap the plus sign next to Settings and then choose Create a Group. Give your new group a name and change the privacy to Public. This will allow anyone to be able to see who's in the group and what they post. When you're done, hit Create Group. Next, invite friends of yours to join the new group and then hit Done on the top right. Upload or choose a cover photo for the group and then hit Next. After that, enter a description letting everyone know what the group is about. Tap Next when you're done. And finally, go ahead and create the first post to your new group. When you're finished, hit Done. You can then continue editing and inviting new users to your new public group. And that's how you create new public groups inside of Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.